So we've been hearing some weird sounds here in the warehouse. We're gonna go see what's going on. Ah! Parts needed to build the 5-foot Halloween spider kit by Circo Innovations. First, you're going to have 10 of the pipe stakes. You're going to need 10 of the 45-degree elbows. You're going to need 10 of the 90-degree elbows. You're going to need 1 of the 6-way geodesic dome hub, 1 of the 5-way geodesic dome hub, 1 T. Next, you will need 14 sections cut to 2 inches long and 2 sections cut to 3 inches long. 16 sections of 1/2-inch PVC pipe cut to 17 inches long, and you're all set. To start off, we're going to use the 6-way and one of the 3-inch sections. Fully seat that. Another one of the 3-inch sections and tie the 5-way and 6-way together. Then you'll take your 2-inch sections and place them in all the remaining holes. All right, now we're going to build the head of the spider. We're going to take this T here, 2 of the 2-inch sections. Next, we're going to come off with the 90s. And those elbows right like that. 2 more of the 2-inch. Now the 45 degrees, 2 of these. And 2 more, the 2-inch sections. Top it off with pipe stakes. There we go. Now we can start on the body. Next, we'll just take these 45s, place them like that. All right, I've come to the point where we're securing these in the position they need to be. As you can see, they're not going to stand up on their own. So you have 2 options. You can use the Circo pin. This is going to basically be, we're going to drill it out. So you're going to have to use a drill bit. The hole is drilled through both sides. You're going to take the Circo pin, line it up on both sides, snap it in. Now we're going to show you how to use the self-tapping screw. Go ahead and remove the drill bit here. Put your standard Phillips head. We have these small self-tapping screws. Just another option to secure this design. Two options for this spider design. All right, we finished all the Circo pins here. Now we're going to be taking the 90-degree elbows, placing them on top, along with a long section. Do this all the way around. All right, we finished up with that. Now the next phase would be, if you want to, you can place another self-tapping screw or the Circo pin in these sections here if you had a concern. But for us, this is able to do the trick. Now let's place our stakes and we'll be finished. All right, we're finished up. That's a wrap on this. You can go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. You can go ahead and purchase this design. There's numerous ways to buy this setup. You can buy the setup you see here that's white. You can customize it. It's my favorite one. You can spray paint it black, red, whatever you want, or you can buy just the fittings, or we also have colored version. This is a great design you can put on your roof in your front of your house for decorations. Hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.